Find the best washing machines on Amazon and AliExpress. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 5 best washing machines on the market. 1.
Looking after your clothes is effortless with our new Ultra Care washing machines. Electrolux washers come with a range of smart features to help keep your favourite garments looking their best for longer. Intuitive smart sensors automatically detect soil on clothes to adjust detergent levels and washing time. This allows for optimal energy efficient results, reducing unnecessary wear and fading, and keeps your colours and whites bright. With Woolmark Blue certification, you can trust your delicate wool garments will be treated with the utmost care. Our wool cycle is proven to be gentle, even to your delicate woolens, ensuring they stay soft and cosy. Say goodbye to detergent or soil residue on your freshly washed garments. Ultra Mix uses cold water and ensures detergent is fully dissolved before reaching your fabrics. This can reduce colour fading after 52 washes by 31%, making sure your favourites look newer longer. Vapor Refresh quickly freshens and gently revives your garments without washing. This innovative program removes odours and reduces the need for ironing, putting less wear and tear on your clothes. Please visit our website to find out more.
2. Three.
Fully automatic top-loading washing machine is designed for eco-fabric care. This elegantly built machine is designed to offer maximum ease of use. The control panel is equipped with a diverse range of convenient one-touch washing presets that help deliver the perfect washing performance. The built-in sink is to soak and scrub tough stains before the wash. The diamond drum is specially designed to offer maximum fabric protection. Its diamond-shaped ridges clean your clothes gently and thoroughly. The smaller water exit holes have smooth ridges to ensure that your clothes don't get trapped and damaged. The easy-to-clean magic filter traps lint and other particles, giving you clean, lint-free clothes with every wash. The specially designed stainless steel pulsator creates a powerful water shower within the drum. This ensures that dirt is removed effectively and your clothes get a thorough wash. Built of high-grade stainless steel, the pulsator is corrosion-resistant and has a long life. The digital inverter motor automatically adjusts its operation according to the load, saving as much water and energy as possible. With Eco Fabric Care, Samsung fully automatic top-loading washing machines give you the perfect wash with the perfect savings.
4. LG TWINWash washer and dryer all-in-one combo. The LG Signature L101 is a bit more high-end, since it features both a futuristic aesthetic and an expensive price tag. You control it using a digital touchpad that fits into its overall design. Just swipe left and right to access the full control menu, making sure your hands are dry when you do so, as wet fingers aren't always recognized. Then, control the machine using your smartphone. Download LG's smartphone app and connect the model to Wi-Fi to remotely start, monitor the machine, or be alerted when a cycle is finished. The model is outfitted with an automatic dispenser that'll release detergent based on load size, and will alert you when the supply is running low. In addition to intuitive features, the capacity of this particular combo is 2.8 cubic feet, so you have plenty of room to tackle your family's pile of dirty clothes. But, even better, is the fact that this washer and dryer unit is compatible with the Sidekick pedestal washer made by LG. So, if you're looking for additional capacity, add on the pedestal and run 2 wash cycles simultaneously. 5. Samsung AI Ecobubble washing machine. Samsung on Friday launched its 2020 range of artificial intelligence, AI-powered front-load washing machines with the latest Q-Rater technology that can be operated via a mobile app, compatible with both Android and iOS devices. The 10 kg fully automatic front-load model will be available at Rs 67,000, while the 10 kg washer-dryer model will cost Rs 93,000. The 7 kg washer-dryer will be available at Rs 45,590, the company said in a statement. The new AI-powered washing machines with the Q-Rater technology make laundry planning and its entire course convenient and seamless. Users can control the washing cycle and schedule via a mobile app.